Yo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa lahat, mga kalingap. Ito po ulit ang inyong lingkod, Batang Elu. At susubukan nating gumawa ng isang kanta. At ito ay iaalay natin para sa lahat ng mga love teams ng Kalingap po ano. At sana'y magsuportahan po ang lahat at iwasan po natin yung mag-away-away dahil nga po, one Kalingap, one family. Itong kanta na ito ay para sa inyong lahat po ng mga supporters, mga viewers po na lahat ng love team ng Kalingap. So, samahan niyo po ako and libre po lait sa aking pagkanta na ito. Ayan, let's go!
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
I always told you were the best. I guess I'm always real. I always told
Sama po tayong lahat. Para
May problema.
that we're blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road.
Surprise. Nay, na-surprise po kayo?
pero para kami nasa
But we always saw it true. I got only one friend left. I wanted to.
Saan? Grabe.
May ano.
Sometimes the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair.
Eh, kapatid mo si Jackie, ano? Si Jackie, mabait din.
Sometimes it gave a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when
Sorry po.
Okay lang, okay lang. Next time na lang.
we were together, it made the dream come true. Only one
Ito mga balloons. Yan. Dami yan.
friend left that wanted to be you. Someone who understands
Si Carla. Yun, kaya yan. Dami yan, no? 7-8. Yun, happy mo.
me, who knows me inside out, who can keep me together and believe
I love you.
Love you too.
she got it down, that I could move the mountain, someone to tell it to.
Bakit naman? Paano yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo na
Yan nga yung iniisip.
If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Kamay na yung family. Yun yung parang hindi talaga sa akin yun pwede.
I always told you were the best. I guess I'm always real. I always thought that we're
total lagi naman natin sinusubok ang tadhana sa mga
blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always
Bukitigan tayo patagalan kung sinong hindi kukurap. Pag kumurap ka, wala.
saw it true. I got only one friend left. I wanted to be you.
Pero sure ka po ba?
Sure ako nga nakaisip eh. Pero ayoko ng yung
Sometimes the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair.
akala ko game ka. Bakit parang hindi ka...
Titiga.
Sometimes it gave a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together,
Ako kasi kala ko hindi po kayo makakabisita. Tapos sila Kuya Rab. Tsaka,
it made the dream come true. Only one friend left. I'd wanted
kasama ka pala.
to be you. Someone who understands me, who
Alam mo, naisip ko lang,
Inside out, you can't get me together and believe she got it down.
di ba? Kasi yun, di ba?
That I could move the mountain, someone to tell it to.
Kayo pong bahala.
Why I don't